Okay, the breaking news is also once again related to the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. What we are hearing is senior lawyer Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi has informed the Supreme Court that the Delhi Chief Minister will be withdrawing his petition before the Supreme Court since remand arguments are to happen. Singhvi has said that first they'll oppose the remand and then they will move the High Court. Now, if you remember, just a short while ago, we broke the news about the Supreme Court denying bail to BRS leader K. Kavita. In fact, the Supreme Court had said that they're unwilling to, as a practice, they cannot really bypass the protocol, and therefore K. Kavita will have to first approach the trial court, and once they hear from the trial court, they can move to the higher court. Ananya joins us for more on this. Ananya, is that why we are getting to hear that Abhishek Manu Singhvi is saying that they will first approach the High Court and then later on move the Supreme Court if needed?
Well, definitely, this is the norm, and that's why Dr. Singhvi has very clearly and categorically stated that, they will not be approaching, in fact, the Supreme Court as of now, because the remand argument would begin any time around lunch, and that's the reason why, in fact, very, very clearly and categorically, what has been stated by Dr. Singhvi is that they are withdrawing this petition before, in fact, the Supreme Court, and will first complete the remand arguments and then approach, in fact, the Delhi High Court if at all they are aggrieved of that particular order. So very clearly and categorically, the high-level drama that is unfolded before, in fact, two courts as of now, that was the Rouse Avenue Court and the Supreme Court, will now also enter the High Court if at all there is order of remand against Mr. Kejriwal. And this is something, that is blowing up, Avantika. Since last night when Mr. Arvind Kejriwal was arrested, all attempts were made by the legal team to get, in fact, an urgent hearing before the topmost court of the country. Very, very clearly and categorically, this is all playing up to a battle that would not only continue politically, but would also go on a legal level, in fact, not only on a single legal level, but might go for a trial court, then a High Court, and then again the Supreme Court of India. So how things pan out is something that we'll have to wait and watch for.
Oh, absolutely. Politics speaking, following the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of New Delhi. We have more political reactions coming in. Let's play them out.
एक कहावत है, जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी। ये कहावत जो है वो अरविंद केजरीवाल पर बिल्कुल आज फिट बैठती है। कानून ने अपना काम कर रहा है और कानून के तहत अरविंद केजरीवाल गिरफ्तार हुए हैं। आज कोर्ट में वो पेश होंगे और शायद उनको आज रिमांड पे लिया जाएगा। लेकिन सवाल एक उठता है कि जो आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता हैं और इंडी गठबंधन के लोग हैं, क्या चिल्ला रहे हैं कि हमारे साथ तो वेंडेटा पॉलिटिक्स हो गई। जब ये आप कहते हैं ना वेंडिक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स हो रही है, तो आप कानून का अपमान करते, माननीय न्यायालय का अपमान करते।
मुझे लगता है कि इन्होंने सचमुच में जो है जिस तरह से व्यवहार किया जा रहा है, इस देश में तानाशाही इन्होंने घोषित कर दिया है। मुझे अभी खबर मिली है कि पार्टी कार्यालय को भी चारों तरफ से सील कर दिया गया है और यहां पर मैं उनके परिवार से मिलने के लिए आया हूं। परिवार को भी हाउस अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है, किसी को भी आने जाने नहीं दिया जा रहा है। अगर उनके परिवार की हालत क्या है कल रात से, किसी को नहीं पता है। किस कानून के तहत रोका जा रहा है? अरविंद केजरीवाल को गिरफ्तार किया गया, कहा जा रहा है भ्रष्टाचार की वजह से गिरफ्तार किया गया है। उनके परिवार को किस कानून के तहत हाउस अरेस्ट किया गया है?